Hello and welcome. This is Daisy. Today I want to share with you how to customize t-shirts using the screen printing technique. And for this project we're going to need a screen printing frame and base, a screen printing ink, the color of your choice, a screen printing squeegee, a small spatula, painter's tape, butcher or parchment paper, the stencil with the design. In a moment, I will show you how to make the stencil in Cricut Design Space. Transfer tape to transfer the stencil, weeding tools, blank items. You may customize any type of fabric, paper or cardstock, not including nylon. This time, I'm going to be customizing this t-shirt. And to cure the printing, we're going to need a heat press or an easy press. But if you don't have any of those two, you may use a home iron. Before I start with the tutorial, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. I am going to start working with the stencil design in Cricut Design Space. The design I am using today can be found for free in my website. Go to daisymultifacetica.com. Click on the graphics section from the menu. Scroll down to find the design. Here it is, Thankful and Blessed. Click on it and will take you to this page. Scroll down to find the free files and download. The file is available in two formats: PNG if you wish to print it, and SVG if you wish to cut. Let's download the SVG for the stencil. Now let's go back to Cricut Design Space. Let's go to Upload. I already have the design here on the gallery, but I will show you how to add a file to the Cricut Design Space gallery. Click on Upload Image, browse, open the folder where the files are saved. I have the two formats, PNG and SVG. The PNG will also work to cut in one layer, but if you have an SVG file, go ahead and upload that one. The SVG file comes in layers. Click on it and open it. Upload. Click on it again and insert. And here it is. As you can see, it comes in layers. If you wish, you may ungroup, move, or change color. This time, we need to cut one layer only. Select all of them and click on Weld. Now we have only one layer. Now I'm going to resize it. The t-shirt I'm customizing is a medium size, so I will resize the design to be 9 inches wide. Next, I will insert a square and resize it to 10 by 8.5. One inch extra on both sides. Place the square on top of the design. Click on Arrange and send it to the back. Now select both layers, click on Align and align to the center. Next, click on Slice. Remove the inside layers, leaving the stencil only. Now it's ready to be cut. We do not need to use mirror mode for this cut. Let's click on Make It. I am going to be using permanent vinyl, so I will select vinyl. and let's go to the machine. Now, using the weeding tool, let's weed the stencil. Using the transfer tape, let's transfer the design to the screen printing frame. Remember, if you like this design, you can find it in my website, daisymultifacetica.com. I'm going to leave the link in the video description down below. You will also find the links of the materials I am using in this tutorial. Align and transfer the stencil to the screen printing frame. Now I'm going to place the t-shirt on top of the base. Next, we're going to place a piece of butcher or parchment paper inside the t-shirt. Center the design on top of the t-shirt. Then, cover with painter's tape around the stencil. With this same stencil, we could print or customize several items. Like this, we would take advantage of the stencil. Cover the screen completely so the t-shirt does not get stained. Now, using the small spatula, grab some ink and spread it horizontally on top. Using the squeegee, we're going to distribute the ink from top to bottom. Do this several times if you need to remove the excess of ink. Save the excess of ink if you wish. Carefully remove the screen printing frame to reveal the design. I love how it turned out. The color is vivid and bright. I got a little stain. That's why it's very important to cover the entire screen using the painter's tape. Now we're going to let it dry for a minimum of 2 hours, preferably overnight. While the design dries and after having used the stencil as many times as necessary, we're going to wash and dry the mesh so that we can use it again and with another stencil. I use dish soap and warm water to wash the mesh. Now that the design is dry, we're going to press it using a heat press, an easy press, or a home iron. Place the butcher or parchment paper on top before pressing. I am going to use the easy press and I'm going to press for 40 seconds at 330 degrees. I love the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And remember to check the description down below to find the links for my website and for the materials used in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit and I'll see you in my next tutorial.